people have good intentions. Most people I meet have good intentions, right? 99.9% of people I meet have good intentions and aren't looking to steal your time, right? Some of them, a lot of them are not in a situation where they can either afford to invest the time in my services or invest the money in my services. It just doesn't work for them, right? But I don't try and filter them out in the marketing, right? Other than demonstrating that I work to a high level and therefore there's the assumption that my rates are probably at a reasonable market level and not at a sub. I never say, hey, we're cheap. I never discount. I never, so the marketing activities that I do is I don't promote discounts. I don't promote much free, right? I don't say, hey, I don't promote, we'll take you on free for the first month and hope for the best type of things, because that's kind of attracting people who are there at a low value proposition themselves. And then it's really hard to work those people up to paying anything. So that's number one. Number two is I will generally always give people some free time, right? And in that meeting, I'll be really upfront about money and saying, if you want to, this, I hoped that what we just talked about strategically gave you some indicators or some guidance or a chart to navigate forward around that problem that we talked about, being, you didn't know where to start with your content marketing or those common things. And if you wanted to work with me, this is kind of the realm of pricing that I work with. And that's just, as you mature, it's just kind of, if you're upfront with people, most people just really respect it.